Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to diagnose and repair a low-speed fan on a BMW Mini. First, to diagnose, you'll have to take this battery cover off. Next, you'll have to connect one side of this normal, like wire. You'll have to connect one to the negative side, which is here, and the other one to the positive side. Got the two wires connected. You have to unplug this here. This is the connector that goes to the fan, and you're going to find three pins, right? See, this one is a negative, this one is a low speed fan, this one is a high speed fan. So you're going to connect the negative to the low speed fan and the positive to the low speed fan, and you'll see you hear click but nothing happens. And you connect it to the high speed, and there she goes. So that's how you know you have a problem with your fan resistor. So fan resistor is located in here, but we are lazy. We don't want to replace the resistor here. We want to place a new resistor along the loom here. We need to uncouple this wire, splice the low speed into the high speed with a resistor, and we will have low speed fan once again. So now remember which wire is which. This one is low speed fan, this one is high speed fan. So you'll need to plug this into the side A of the resistor, then B on the resistor, splice into high speed fan. This is 100 watt, 0.33 ohm resistor. You'll need to wire this in like so. And now for the real controversial bit. What am I going to use to splice into the original wiring loom? Be careful, because I'm not using this bit of the loom here. This is the bit that is hardwired into the car. I'm using the bit that comes off with the shroud of the fan. So this is not a sacrilege to the original Mini. So I'm going to use a Scotch lock like this. I know this is a controversial bit about my repair, because people don't like Scotch locks. I don't know why. I never had a problem with them before. Maybe I will have a problem with them right now, but till now I have not, so I am going to use them. And if so let's perform the same test, positive on positive, negative on negative, and now low speed wires. And we've got a low speed fan. Boom. Doesn't work. Now it works. Cool. Now let's plug this back in. The right way around. Put this relay cover back on there, and boom, you got it fixed with £10 or 10 quid or $10 or whatever. You've got it.